Hey friends, I have a question for you today, and it's about luck. Maybe you've heard that. Something, is brings me luck, good luck, something is lucky. And that word luck, what does that mean? It means that something happened, hopefully something good happened, and we don't know why. And because we don't know why, we say it is lucky. And there are a lot of things that people think are lucky. And I have a few that I want to share with you today, like pennies. Maybe you've heard somebody say, find a penny, pick it up all day long, you'll have good luck. So some people consider pennies to be lucky. Horseshoes, especially when they're hung like this. See how it looks like a letter U? It's kind of like a bowl that fills up with luck that spills over onto all the people. A horseshoe can be considered lucky. A four-leaf clover can be considered lucky. The number 7, lots of people think the number 7 is lucky. And dice. Dice are lucky for games, even games where you don't use dice, like even video games. So if it's games, dice can be a lucky charm for that. Maybe you have things that you consider lucky, something special to you. Where you live in the world, what you consider lucky might change. Some other things around the world that are considered lucky: ladybugs, goldfish, rainbows, bamboo. I even have bamboo right here behind me. Bamboo, crickets, and coins, kind of like the penny. These happen to be a Chinese coin. So all kinds of different things that can be considered lucky. Maybe you or somebody you know has a lucky pair of socks or a lucky shirt, right? Clothing could be lucky, all kinds of different things. And when you have an object that you consider lucky, the word for that is charm. So if it's an object that brings you luck or makes you feel lucky, that is called a charm. And there's a couple other words that you can use. Another word is called an amulet. Amulet. It's kind of a cool word. So an amulet is more usually something small, or maybe a piece of jewelry or something that you wear, and it's about protection, right? If I have an amulet, it's helping me feel safe, or it's helping me stay healthy, right? An amulet is about protection. And then there's another one called a talisman. A talisman is an object or a piece of jewelry that is special just for me. I get to decide what it is, and I get to decide what it's for. Maybe it's something that really increases my happiness or brings more abundance into my life, right? I get to decide the special power of a talisman. So 3 different things: charms, amulets, talismans. Charms are about luck, amulets are about protection, and talismans are kind of a special power special to me. 3 different things. And when you hear those things, you might think, God, that sounds like magic. Is that magic? Guess what? No matter what name you give it, whether it is a charm or an amulet or a talisman, the thing that makes it magical, the thing that gives it power is you. It's actually your thoughts and your beliefs that make something have that power. So what I'm thinking and what I'm believing about my special object can make it lucky or protective or special just to me. So if it's my thoughts that can do that for this special object, that means I'm magical and you're magical. Can you imagine? It's what you think that makes that special. So I want a lucky charm. Who wouldn't want a lucky charm? Where can I get one? Well, a lot of times our charms find us. You might be walking and all the rocks look the same, and then you find a special rock that looks different. That might be a charm meant just for you. Or maybe it's something in our family, something that someone in the family gave me, or something that my family shares. That might be where it comes from. It might come from nature, or it might be something that was man-made. Could really be anything if you think about it, which is so cool. So, this is what I want you to remember, that charms are about luck, amulets are about protection, talismans are special just for me, but what they all have in common is that they're about what I believe. And the magic that comes from that comes from inside of you. That means you are magical, and that is actually our affirmation for today. Our affirmation is, I am magical. All right, everyone. I can't wait to imagine what it is that you're going to find or what you have that is a charm just for you. Bye.